We will learn how to feel color in drawing. First of all, do a simple drawing with a pencil. In this method, we will first draw a drawing and then confirm the drawing with a black marker. Once you feel the drawing is done right, confirm it with a black marker. Now we will also create some features of this apple like eyes and mouth. The eyes and mouth will also be made nicely with a black marker. Once our drawing is complete, we will fill it with red color because apple is red. Make sure the color does not go over the black line. If the color comes over the black line, don't worry, we will fix it later. Now we will fill the leaf on the apple with green color. Now we will fill in the baby pink color on its made tongue. Now finally we will fill the eyes and mouth with color using black marker and wherever the color is above the black line. Now our apple painting is ready. Now we will make a banana painting. As you can see, the drawing is already made. We will start filling it with yellow color. If you'll notice, we didn't use a black market drawing in this. This is our second method for coloring a drawing. If you like this video of ours, then please like the video and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos related to painting and art. Now we will fill in the drawing made just above it with a little green color. Now we'll outline it with a black marker. You can do whichever of these two methods you want. We hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you notice now, with slow and hard work, our banana painting is ready and it looks cute too. We will meet soon in the next video with a new drawing and painting.